Hello students, good morning to all. So now we are going to see plants and their parts. Okay, so I have brought some plants. Look at here. This is a plant. Okay, so here you can see this is the root. Okay, that is root system. So look at here. This is root. Okay, so I'll write here root. Okay, then this is what? This straight line means straight thing is going on from the root. It is starting this portion. This is what? Stem. So this is your stem. Okay, next is what? Next, here branches have from stem. Look, this many branches have grown. Okay, so these are what known as, this is known as branches. Branch. Okay, and in branch you have seen so many leaves are there. These are leaves. Okay, green leaves. So leaves. Okay, leaves plural, leaf is singular. Okay, next you will see here. Here you see birds. Okay, so this is the bird. These are the bird. 1, 2, 3. These small birds. Okay, I will only hold the bird. Okay, so this is bird. जहाँ को तुम्हें कढ़ कहूँ bird. Then here you see from bird beautiful flower. This is purple color flower. Okay, this flower has grown. Look at here. This is a flower. I will show you. Look, this is a flower. Okay. So this is flower. Okay. Next is, look at here. This is fruit. Okay, so this here fruit. This is fruit. So these are the inside fruit. You can find, if it is fully grown, you can find inside fruit seeds will be there. I'll show you. Look, seeds are here. Okay, so these are seeds. If they will fully mature, okay, look at here. If they will fully mature, you can see the seed. Here, look here, seeds are here. Okay, so these are the types of, means parts of plants we are seeing in a small plant. Okay. Then first we'll see root. Look at here, root. Okay, two types of root. One is fibrous root, one is tap root. So this is tap root. Okay, so this is what? Tap root. Another one is fibrous root. So look at here, in tap root what you can find? You will find lateral roots. Okay, so look, here this is tap root. This whole it is going tap root. The main root is tap root, and here you can find so many branches. Okay, these are lateral roots. This one is one lateral. These are lateral roots. But here you see in fibrous root, what you are seeing? You are seeing all the roots are of same type and there is no main root. Look at here. There is no main root. All roots are of same type. Okay. These are so many, a group of roots. They are of same size or same shape. Okay. So this is about your root. Next we will see, we have seen stem already. No need of seeing stem. These are the stems. Okay. And this is the stem. Means stem is this portion is stem, and here this portion is stem. Okay. Next we will see leaves. Okay. So here different leaves are here. Okay. So I will have taken here leaves. Look at here. Okay. And this leaf, if you will see from the nearby, so this leaf has stalk. Okay. This leaf is, this one is stalk. Okay. Sorry, that is stalk or pedicel, you will say. If you will see another leaf is there. Look, leaf is attached to stem by petiole. This one is petiole. And here you see this part is node and this is another node. Okay. Where leaves are grown. Then between this node to this node portion is, this portion is internode. And here leaves are growing and leaves have petiole. If I'll see this leaf nearby, how we can see in the side, this side portion is known as, this is your leaf margin. Okay, this is the leaf margin. And this whole green area, this base is known as what? This whole base is known as your lamina. Okay. And here you can see the marking. This middle portion, mid portion is known as, this is mid rib. And here veins have started. And here you see so many veins are there. Okay. If you can see by nearby, and veins are here. Okay. And this is the tip. This portion is tip. So this is a part of leaf. But we have seen two types of leaves according to their venation. Two types of venation. One is reticulate, another one is what? According to the size of, design of your leaf veins. Two types of venation is there, reticulate and parallel. So this here reticulate, how? Here it is forming net-like structure. Okay, so you can see net-like structure. So here leaf, here veins have gone, another small veins are there, and it is forming net-like structure. That's why it is what? It is reticulate venation. But if you will see this leaf, here you see that veins are parallel to each other. These veins are small veins, or you can see from back side also veins are visible. Okay, these veins are parallel to each other. That's why this is known as parallel venation. So this is about leaf. Okay, and if you will put a paper and like this down a paper, and you, okay, you mark it, okay, like this. In pencil you will do. So what you can find? So look at here. I have put a leaf here, and on the top I have put the paper. Okay, after that I am using the pencil. Okay, I have used the pencil and I have rubbed, make the mark with pencil. Okay, so look at here. Now you can find the sketch of leaf. Okay, by this you can do by yourself. Either you can use pencil or crayon color also. It will be better. If you have pencil, then it is good. Look, after doing this, I have got the structure of leaf. Okay, here your midrib, okay, then vein, okay, then here margin, here, okay, petiole, if I have petiole, little bit petiole I can see. So by this you can do, by this what you can do, you can make a outline and you can find the petiole, leaf venation and how which type of venation you have, you can find it. Like this, if I will keep like this type of parallel paper, parallel, and I will put marking like this. Okay, so that I can find, if I am putting like this and I will do like this, I can find this. Okay, the venation and all the parts of leaf. Okay, like this how I have found. Okay, and this one you can easily do by yourself. Next is the last part, that is flower. Okay, so look at here, I have brought two flower. One is datura and the other one is, you have seen this datura flower, and another one is that China rose. Okay, so I will show you the part. Okay, so first is what? This is stalk, where this one is attached, this flower is attached to the stem. Okay, so this is the stalk. Okay, next we'll go to sepal. So this is the sepal. This green color part is sepal. Here you can see this is the green color part is sepal. So I'll remove the sepal. Okay, next is what? After sepal, this is what? This white color. This datura plant have white color petal, and this what? This the China rose plant, hibiscus plant has red color petal. Okay, so petal as color and very beautiful looking. Okay, so this is stalk, sepal, petal, and here it is. This is stalk. These are, look, this is sepal. This is also sepal. This small thing, this small are also. Then we will see the another part, the two parts, male part and female part of flower. Okay, so we have seen, till now we have seen stalk. Okay, then we have seen sepal, that is green color, and petals which is colorful, which are different from, in datura it is white and in China rose it is red. It is red color. Okay, next we will see the male part and female part. So we have to remove this. Okay, slowly remove all the petals. Okay, and in this also what you can do, remove the sepals, then remove the petals, so that we can see the male part and female part of flower. Okay, so now look at here. Okay, so here you can see, what you can see here, look at here, these are the stamens. Okay, it is surrounding the pistil. Pistil is on the middle side. This is the pistil and these are stamens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamens are there. In stamen you can see this is anther and this is filament. This portion is here, this is anther and this stalk is filament. If I will remove this one, you will find like this. But here in this one, these are the stamen. Okay, stamens are here, and in stamen you can find it. Look, in stamen this upper one is. Okay, here you can see those yellow color ones are what? This yellow color tip are, those are anther, and below the stalk these are here. If I will put here, this is our anther. Okay, and these are filament. Okay, it is like this, and this whole portion, this is what? Pistil. In pistil you can see this is the stigma, this upper one is stigma, and this is style, Okay, this is style and ovary has been cut out. This is the ovary. Here, this portion is the ovary. Okay, but here you will see your middle portion is, this one is our pistil. Okay, look, this is our pistil. Your pistil, this one is, this beginning one is stigma, this one is style, then here below is ovary. If I'll cut the ovary, what I'll get? If you will cut the ovary, you will get inside ovules. Okay, inside it you can find it small ovules, which is not clearly visible, but you can find the ovules. Okay, and here also if you are cutting this, then here you can find the ovules inside this. Okay, so this is about your parts of plants and your different parts of plants. Okay, then thank you.